If you want to record calls on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can try to find the record button while being in an ongoing call. You can tap on more over here, and you might be able to find record button over here. However, if it's not here, then most likely your region or your service provider doesn't allow you to actually record calls, but we can actually work around this issue. So if you can find the record button over here, then of course you can use it here. But if not, in that case we can go to the Play Store and we can search for an app that allows us to record calls. So in my case, I have been using Cube ACR. It is decent enough to use it. And of course, feel free to try it as well. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. If you want to try any other app that records calls, then feel free to do that. So once we have call recorder, we can open it. Then let's go next. Let's grant permissions. Let's choose while using the app and allow everything over here. We can add Cube to auto start, so let's press this button, and here we need to find Cube ACR and tap on the switcher to add it to the list. Let's go back. We can also disable power optimization, so let's set to no restrictions. Geotagging doesn't have to be enabled, so we can press no thanks and press OK, got it. Over here we have the premium offer. We can press this X in the top left corner twice. Now over here we have to install the helper so that the main app works better. So let's press this button. And in this case we need to download the APK because, well, we don't really have the Galaxy Store or anything else. So let's choose this option and let's press download. And let's wait for the app to be downloaded. Of course, we might see this information that we don't have the permission to install unknown apps, but we can press settings and we can allow from this source. Press that you are aware of possible risks. And after that, after a few seconds, we should be able to press OK. There we go. And then we can install the helper. After that, let's open it. And once again, press next, grant permissions. There we go. And the first thing that we need to do over here is go to accessibility, find the app connector and tap to see the dialog. So let's press go to accessibility, go to downloaded apps and tap on the Cube ACR app connector. Even though it's disabled, just tap on it in order to see this information that app was denied access. That is okay. Press OK. And now let's go back. Now let's go to apps. Over here we need to find Cube ACR helper, tap on more and allow restricted settings. Alright, now we can go back. Once again go to accessibility, once again downloaded apps, and this time we can go to Cube ACR app connector and we need to select use connector. Once again select that you are aware of possible risks. Let's wait for the OK button. And there we go. And then we can add Cube to auto start. So let's find the helper, let's add it. Let's go back, press OK, set no restrictions in the power usage, and let's go back. Alright, now we can open Cube ACR and the app is ready to go. Now we can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner, just in case, to make sure that recording is enabled. And by default we are using automatic recording. But you can go through the settings in order to, for example, disable auto start recording. And essentially, if you use automatic recording and if you go to a call, then ideally you want the call to last at least 5 seconds to start recording, which usually recordings last more than 5 seconds, so it shouldn't be an issue. But essentially, once you start the call, you should be able to receive the notification that the Cube ACR and the helper is now active and we have automatic call recording in progress. Of course, we can stop it if we want to. So once we are done with the call, once we end it, we can go to the app, to Cube ACR, and you should be able to find your recording here. And that is essentially it. You can also tap on these three dots to find more options. And feel free to go through the settings in order to set up the app so that it works exactly as you wish it to work. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.